All right, I'm Adam with Owens Chimney System, and I'm going to be talking to you guys right now through lighting your pilot. This is a regular standard vented gas log burner that we're doing. It is just a thermocouple, which means that it is just a standing pilot system. So with that being said, we're going to go over here to our control knob that has 3 settings, off, on, and pilot, and we are going to move it to the pilot setting. Once in the pilot setting, we will then depress the valve fully and take our grill lighter directly to the pilot, light it. Now once it is lit, you are going to keep the valve manually depressed for at least the count of 5, if not 10. Once you have reached that number, you should be able to let it go, and that pilot will stay lit. With it being lit like that, we can now move it into the on position, which is the primed position for you to use your remote, if you do have it so indeed, and turn it on, making sure that your valve comes on and the burner lights. That's all for now.